Namaskaram, ഞാൻ Eliza. Learn Malayalam with Elkuttilekku Swagatham. If you're looking for a place to help you improve your Malayalam, you've come to the right channel. Today's pronunciation video is going to look at two specific aspects of Malayalam. We have Chillus and we have the Chandrakala. And they each have their own special way of affecting the pronunciation of specific aksharangal, specific letters in Malayalam. So we're going to take a closer look and understand what it looks like and what it sounds like here in Malayalam. Let's get started. First, we'll start with Chillus. Now, in Malayalam, all the aksharangal have what's called an inherent vowel, which means that anytime you see an aksharam, it's going to have an a attached to it. So in English, we say A, B, C, D, E, F, G, but in Malayalam, it's ka, ka, ga, ga, nga, like this. So Chillus remove that a and it makes just a consonant sound. Also, these days in modern Malayalam, you only see it used in 5 aksharangal. So we'll go over this. So here we have the letters, the aksharangal on the left. We have na, na, la, ra, ra. When it becomes a chillu, it becomes n, l, ar. So again, there is no vowel sound. It is just a consonant stop. So by itself, it can be a little bit hard to hear or see how it works. So let's look at some examples with Chillu. Now notice Chillu most of the time come at the end of a word, but often you might find it in the middle of a word as well. Let's look at these words. Avan, nyan, kun, kanmashi, aval, takol, ningal, ipol, avar, achar. Okay, so as you hear, there is a consonant sound with no vowel after it. It is a full stop. Avan, nyan, like this. So what's a Chandrakala? A Chandrakala also affects an aksharangal, but instead of completely removing the sound, there's what we call a schwa, a clipped sound. So again, we have na, ra, la, ra, ra. Here it becomes n, n, l, r, r. So again, before we had a final consonant stop, here we have a slight schwa and at the end. Another difference between Chandrakala and Chillu is that a Chandrakala can be used with any aksharangal. So before we only had 5 specific letters, 5 specific aksharangal, but here we can use it with any sound. So here on this page, you can see ka, sa, pa, da, va. With the Chandrakala, it becomes k, s, p, r, v. Right. Now, sometimes you'll see people spell it with a U or with an accent, or they might leave it off altogether. It's very important not to give it a full U sound. Okay, so let's look at our examples. Enikye. It's not eniku, it's enikye. Enikye. Paripu. En. Rande. Manikye. Oche. Palle. Arne. So it has that small schwa sound. So here you can see the differences in pronunciation between a Chillu and a Chandrakala. So here we have n, 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 l, r, r. All right. I hope this helps clear your doubts about the differences between Chillu and Chandrakala. If you still have some questions, put them in the comments below. Also, be sure to check out our Discord server with over 2,000 members. Here we have lessons every Monday at 7 and 8 p.m. IST, and I hope to see you there. Apoelam padna the pole.